Welcome, today I'm showing you how to change icon shape into a Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro. Firstly, open your Play Store and find X icon changer application, this one. I've already installed this, so click open. Now need close ads and now need choose from the list your application. Maybe YouTube will be nice. So choose your application and then from the library of new icon, choose your icon, maybe this one. And on the top right corner we got OK button, tap it. And how you can see we got a message, please go to the system settings to open shortcuts. So tap OK and now click other permission. And here we got this home screen shortcuts. Change to always allow, click back and back one more time. And now let's try again. Top right corner, tap OK button. Wait a second for generating. And now we got success message. So go to our home screen and find new icon. Oh here, this one. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.